10 most common questions asked on Forex. 1. What is the best Forex platform? There is no one way to answer such a question. This will of course depend on the trader, in accordance with his preference, knowledge, experience as well as what he intends to trade, which financial instrument. Many intermediate experienced traders, especially when trading on the currency market, prefer to use platforms such as MT4 or CTrader, which are designed mostly for Forex trading, as well as CFD trading, and for someone with some knowledge of the trading market. Others, more novice traders would prefer the use of such platforms as ones found from Easy Forex, iForex, or eToro, where limited math/computational knowledge is required for their use and are a lot more straightforward to use. More advanced/experienced traders, which may also prefer access to multiple markets, would prefer to use such brokers as Interactive Brokers or Saxo Bank's Saxo Trader. Such platforms usually contain much more advanced charting/analytical tools, although to be fair, most analytical tools can also be obtained from MT4/CTrader, and also give access to thousands of instruments including equities, ETFs, swaps trading etc., and are designed with the ability to effectively allow traders to partake in such markets. 2. Forex Trader, what is the best way to do Forex trading? If you've looked into trading Forex, then you have most doubtable been exposed to all the various opportunities to make money and are wondering which is the best way to learn Forex trading. First of all, the foremost thing I would advise is to get a Forex education. There are countless material on Forex in the internet for newcomers as well as experienced traders. All you need to do is search. Spend some time reading up on how Forex trading works, the concepts behind trades and how prices are impacted by economic and political conditions. Secondly, you must get some experience. If you want to learn Forex trading, it's the only way. To begin with, it is prudent for this to be on a demo account. This will give you a good technical foundation on the mechanics of making Forex trades and get used to using a trading platform. After having traded for some time on a demo account, it is very important to also use a real one, albeit with little investment amount. Find a broker that will accept lower-sized trades, 0.01 lots for FX, so that you can get a real feel for the live market. It is a whole different game trading on a demo and real platform, due to the psychological effect that trading with real money has. Trading small will allow you to put your money on the line, but at little risk if you make mistakes or lose money. From there, provided you are gaining more than you are losing, you should gradually increase your trading size and invested capital, always keeping in mind it should be an amount you can afford to lose and which you feel comfortable with. 3. What is the best Forex trading software? There are a number of Forex trading software available, all with their specific advantages and disadvantages. Many trading companies have built their own platforms while others prefer to use, and in effect white label, existing solutions which are commonly known within the industry. To say which one is best would be invalid, as this falls on the opinion of the individual user. However, there has been a clear trend in terms of popular platforms, which have proven to be favored among both novice and veteran traders. These platforms are the MetaTrader 4 and CTrader. The former has been built primarily for Forex products, while the latter has been designed to accompany other instruments such as equities and ETFs. Both platforms are easy to use and master and come complete with full charting and technical analysis capabilities. 4. Forex Trader, how can one be a good Forex trader? If it was to be summed up in one word, the key to a good Forex trader is discipline. Yes, there are many things to learn and know before you make any trades or get involved in the financial industry, but one thing that must stay consistent throughout is discipline. Discipline in learning, in making your first trades and in sticking with your plan. The basics that all new traders should follow are: learn about Forex. There is an abundance of material on the net. Spend a good 1 month learning. Study technical and fundamental analysis. Your learning should continue well into your trading and be ongoing. Come up with a strategy, set rules that will determine your trading pattern and how you will enter and exit the market. Practice on a demo, open a demo account and trade as if for real. Of course, this will not be exactly as if you were trading on a reel, due to the fact that fear of losing would not weigh in on your decisions. Do not proceed to the next step unless you can make a profit on the demo first. Practice on a real account with small amount. Do this so as to be able to understand the difference between trading with real money and trading on demo. Do this with substantially a small amount, but enough so that you are concerned over losing it. Trade on real account with substantial amount. Do this with an amount you are comfortable to completely lose. Even if your strategy works on the demo and on a reel with a small amount, it may not continue to do so in future. Stick to your strategy, have complete discipline. If you see the strategy is failing, then adjust your strategy accordingly, but stick to it, to the pip, at all times once it has been decided. 5. Foreign exchange market. Is it possible for an amateur Forex trader to make sustainable profits trading Forex? Many traders have made a living off of trading Forex, and some have had very wealthy returns which have allowed them to become self-employed and leave the 9-5 work behind them. All of these traders have one thing in common: they all started out as an amateur Forex trader. No one is born with the trading know-how, it is achieved through dedication and discipline. So yes, an amateur Forex trader can indeed make sustainable profits from trading Forex. As long as he is willing to put in the effort and has the discipline to follow through with such a commitment, then there is no reason why he cannot do what others have done before him in the same shoes. 6. Forex trader. Who is the best Forex trader? There is no one best Forex trader, or at least there is no clear way to measure this. Is it the amount one has won or the percent gained from it? Also, as many of the top Forex traders in the world do not trade with their own money but instead funds and company capital, it means that different psychological and risk appetite conditions exist for different traders, and as such makes it biased to compare such trader success with those who trade with their own capital. The one thing to know is that what a lot of Forex traders do have in common is their appetite for success, their diversified portfolio and willingness to take measured risk. 7. Has anyone ever made money trading Forex? Yes. Not only have people made money trading Forex, but many have made a livelihood. Although the majority of retail traders would not have as much success as professionals would, this is largely attributed to poor money management strategies and lack of discipline in sticking with their strategy. With 100% discipline and a good money management strategy, there is no reason why anyone should not have a good chance in making money from trading Forex. 8. Is Forex the best way to invest money? It is hard to say if it would be the best, as there are numerous ways of investing money and would largely depend on what the individual is familiar with. However, it is one of the best, largely to the fact that unlike stocks/housing market, an investor can make money regardless of how the instrument is doing by both selling/buying that instrument, or doing both, known as hedging. In the stock market it is only possible to invest in the success of a stock. However, in Forex you can both buy/sell a certain currency against another, and hence there is always a possibility for profit to be made. Also, the fact that Forex is commonly traded on leverage, it allows Forex trading to become one of the most volatile and hence allows for higher profits, as well as losses, to be made, if traded correctly. 9. Foreign exchange market. What are the best Forex blogs? There are a number of locations on the web to find a great Forex-related blog. In fact, many brokers have their own blogs also, but in order to remain unbiased I will recommend a non-broker blog. One of the most useful blogs for both novice and veteran traders alike is at babypips.com. There is a regular update on current market movement as well as an abundance of information and back-forth ideas being expressed. 10. Why do individual investors usually lose money in Forex? The majority of retail investors end up losing money in Forex. In spite of the fact that they may receive the right training and educative material, or at least the same as some other successful traders may receive, many often fail due to bad money management rules and/or lack of discipline. The latter is the most often. The hardest thing in Forex is not making the calculations or predicting where to enter, how much to trade and/or what your limits should be. It is sticking to your strategy and following through with 100% discipline. For more info, visit link on description below. Thank you and have a nice day.